Today's project is going to be to replace this ignition lock cylinder. The existing one is really sloppy, and I cannot, I think it might be causing some problems. So I went and bought a new lock cylinder with a key from AutoZone. It's about 65 bucks, and we're going to install it real quick. First step in the project is to undo the negative terminal cable, and since I got those quick release clips on there, it is a real simple job. Just snap it off and pop it back in. Alright, the next step is we need to start disassembling the dash a little bit. In order to get it out, you have to disassemble the dash. This casing right around the lock itself just pops off with a couple of clips. I've got my fingernails underneath there. As you can see, there are two clips that just plug in right there. So the next step is to take off this bottom shroud here. So we need to get access to underneath the key cylinder. And there are 5 bolts. These are 1, 2 on this side of the steering wheel. Then 3 here, 4 here. Those are all Phillips screwdriver. And then there's another bolt down here, which is a 10 millimeter. You pull those 3 off, and then you should be able to just pull down this shroud and you should be okay. Now the next step is to pull out the existing cylinder, and what you need is you need to get the key, which I've got here somewhere, and you want to put it in. You want to put it on the ACC, and then right underneath here there's a little hole, and that's got a button on the bottom of that lock cylinder that you push in, and then you should be able to pull the whole thing out. So let me try that real quick. Okay, so there's a little hole right underneath here. You push that in there, and then you turn the key till it clicks. You'll feel it, and then you just pull out that ignition, just like that. Putting the new one in should easily be the reverse. Turn the key until the button pushes in. Slide that sucker in, and you are ready to go. So before we put the shroud back on, we will go ahead and put the battery cable back on and start it up just to make sure everything works, but everything should be good and gold after that. So you will just put that up there like that. Put the screws back in. Slide that cover back on. Adjust your ring, and you're ready to go. So this is literally a 5-minute job. And if you look here in the old lock set, you can see the button that's on the bottom right here. That's what gets pushed in to release it. And it's super easy to do. Hope this helps someone in the future.